Hello everybody. I wanted to try and do a caricature. This is actually my first time doing a caricature, so I did it of my boyfriend. I'm just sketching out his face with a pencil first. I've wanted to do caricatures forever since I was a little kid and I would read the newspaper and see them. But I mainly do realistic stuff. So I'm excited to see how this turns out and excited to do more caricatures actually. After I finished drawing him, I outlined it with a pitt pen. What I learned reading about how to do caricatures is just you need to emphasize not their flaws or their, I don't know how to say it, their worst quality or whatever, but emphasize something unique. For comparable to a normal slash average person, emphasize their uniqueness. So he has big brown eyes, bigger than the average bear, so I emphasized that, and the way he was sitting gave his jawline kind of a triangular look, so I emphasized that as well. And his nose also looked pointy in the picture, so I emphasized that. His nose and his jaw aren't that big. He's very proportional. Next, I added the watercolor paint on top of the sketch. So for his hair I did black, for his eyes I did 2 different browns, and for his skin tone he's light skinned, so I just did red, yellow, and white. And for the background I just did a watery, loose red shade. If you're a caricature artist, drop some comments on how I can get better. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you liked the video.